Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the wide double crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the third chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 double crochet into the third chain from your hook and then 1 double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. We're going to be working double crochet stitches again, but we're going to be working into the spaces between stitches. So you're going to make 1 double crochet into each space between stitches until you reach the last stitch of this row. When you get to the last stitch in this row, work 1 double crochet into that last stitch to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project, and that is going to be how to make the wide double crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.